So hello guys, welcome back to another video. So let's start.
Car alarms and barking dogs makes me wonder why the city's waking, the city never sleeps, and I would like to rest a little while. Yeah, I would like to get some peace of mind. To turn it all around. We're all getting older, she says it doesn't matter. She strokes her cheek when she lies. An old man on the corner says they're coming back to get him soon. But maybe we know something he doesn't know. And I would like to get some peace of mind. To turn it all around. In many ways, yeah, you know we've heard it all before. In many ways, you work all week, then drink yourself into oblivion. You wonder why this city's sleeping, this city'll never wake, and I would like to see you away sometime.